Hey chicks and dudes, and or neither for those of you who those rules don't apply. I am Katie and welcome to my channel for those of you who are new here, and if you are returning, welcome as well. I got this Smoke Show palette, and so I'm gonna pop this palette's cherry today. Well, this palette's gonna lose its virginity today, and if you guys like to watch, then stay with me. Okay, so I'm just gonna dive right in. As I say, if you guys like to watch, we're gonna take this palette's virginity. I don't really feel like I'm qualified to give reviews because I usually like palettes and sometimes they give me a problem, but I don't like talk about weight or, you know, I like to tell people the cost because I like people to feel like stuff is more accessible to them than they think it is. ColourPop, you have to get online. There's sometimes it's at Ulta, but it's affordable. And ColourPop has good products. I don't normally buy their products because usually their palettes are a little too like prudy. They're like too neutral. But I have almost all of their monochromatic palettes, meaning they're palettes that have all the same color because I fucking love them. So I'm going into the color Ignite. It looks a little pink, but I have a feeling that it isn't. And I'm just going to start dragging that into my crease. This is my Zoeva 221, and I use my PLouise base to prime my eyes. And I'm going to drag that along my lower lash line. And I'm going to go into the color Stone Face, and I'm going to use that. I'm going to use my Morphe JH30. Blend out that outer edge. Okay, and then I'm going to go into Night Dream. It looks like it has some pink shimmer in it too, but it's probably not going to show. And I'm just going to use that to deepen up my outer V. And then I'm going back in with my Zoeva 221 and just blending out that. And back in with my Zoeva 227. And then back in with my JH30 and get that outer, blend out that outer edge. Using my Beauty Blender to blend that in right up there. And I'm just going to run this color, this darkest color, along the outer part of my lower lid. and then blend that all out. And then I'm going to go in with my NYX Glitter Primer, and I'm going to use my Morphe JH30. It's this little tiny cut the crease brush. And actually, I don't even, that's too little. It's too little, too small. I'm just going to use this ABH. And then I'm going to use the back side of that, and I'm going to go into the color Full Metal. I feel like online all three of these colors had like a hint of pink to them. But they do not, just to clarify. I'm a sucker for pink. I'm also a sucker for hidden tones in eyeshadows. Oops. And I'm going back in with my my Zoeva 227. Blend that edge, deepen the crease. And then I'm going to take some of that Full Metal, drag that along my lower lid, just on the inner corner. And then I'm going to take this Zoeva 231. It's called the Petite Crease Brush, but that is not what I've been using it for. I've been using it for an inner quarter highlight brush and loving it. Is that white? I'm going to go into Starstruck for my inner corner highlight. It's kind of on the nose, but I'm in a hurry. Ooh. I don't need to do anything else to that. Bomb. Okay, I'm going to use my NYX Slide On Glide On gel liner in Platinum for the waterline. Bomb. Okay, I'm going to put on mascara, do my other eye, put on some lips, and I'll be back with the finished look. So this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think. Hang out with me down in the comments. Don't forget to like if you like this look and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you know each time I upload. I love this look. I used my Lime Crime Plushies in the color Smokey, and yeah, I love it. I think it looks fantastic. And honestly, like, I felt like it was going to be kind of boring. It's absolutely not boring. It's totally like flashy and glamorous, and the shimmers are badass. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys could have been doing anything, but you guys were hanging out here with me, and I totally appreciate you and love you. Bye.